This is the family room. And the moment you walk in here, you understand something important about how Ferris Rafali thinks about space. Most designers at this level build rooms that impress you. Rafali builds rooms that hold you. This space was designed to do everything. Host a dinner party for 30, have an intimate family conversation, listen to live music, or simply sit and take in one of the most stunning views in Miami. And it does all of it without feeling like it's trying. Take a look at what I'm sitting on. This circular sectional sofa is not something you walk into a showroom and purchase. This was custom designed specifically for the curvature of this room. The arc of the sofa mirrors the architecture around it. The curved walls, the rounded ceiling details, the circular flow of the entire space. Everything in this room speaks the same design language. And that cream boucle fabric, that soft textured finish against the warmth of the wood panel walls and the cream limestone floors creates a palette that is rich but never overwhelming. It is warm, it is welcoming, and it is unmistakably intentional. Now look at the centerpiece of this seating arrangement. That dark, organic shaped coffee table is a slab of rare black marble, hand cut into a freeform sculptural shape. It is not square, it is not round, it is one of a kind. And sitting on top of it, a full chess set. Now that detail is not accidental. This is a home owned by one of the most strategic minds on the planet, a man who built one of the most valuable companies in human history from a college dorm room. A chess set on the coffee table isn't decor. It's a statement about the person who lives here. Now look above. That chandelier is extraordinary. It's not a traditional fixture. It is a large-scale sculptural installation suspended from that soaring ceiling. Twisted ribbons of glass and gold metalwork flowing into each other like fabric caught midair. At this ceiling height, you needed something massive to anchor the room vertically. And what Rafali chose doesn't just fill the space, it becomes the conversation. Every guest who walks into this room will look up first, every single time. Now take a look through those floor-to-ceiling windows. The entire back wall of this room opens to the outside, bringing the royal palms, the twilight sky, and the waterfront directly into the living space. There is no separation between inside and out. The room breathes with the property, and placed right there at the threshold between the interior and the terrace. A cream and gold grand piano. Amazing. This is the jazz lounge element of the home. Rafali designed this estate to include dedicated entertainment spaces, and that piano tells you exactly what kind of evenings happen in this room. Imagine hosting a dinner here. The sun going down over Biscayne Bay, a pianist playing as your guests move between conversation and the view. That is not a lifestyle, that is a world. And this is just the family room. Because still waiting inside this estate, a 500-gallon aquarium separating the kitchen and dining areas, a Himalayan salt wall sauna, and a hidden passageway inside the double-height library. Let's keep